In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Rhoback discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Rhoback discount code. Right here, scroll down until you find this website, which is called wordpenny.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. Some of them are also verified. So for example, if you want to get this 25% discount of all orders, all you need to do is tap on this promotion right here. And this is your promo code right here. You can simply tap on the copy button to copy the promo code, and you can use this one on your next purchase to get a discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, scrolling down a little bit, you should be able to find this website, which is called simplycodes.com, and you can open this one as well. And right here we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discount. Just let me find them real quick. This is one deal right here, as you can see, and we have also today's best deal with 15% discount off. So if you want to choose this one, simply select get deal right here. And as you can see, for this promotion there is no code required. You can simply go to the offer right here. You can simply type in your email address and select get offer, and you'll receive the promo code on your email address. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.